Yeah.
Come on.
Okay.
Think left-handed, damn it. Such a fucking queer. See these?
Mm-hmm.
That's why you want to go out
Go out?
with all 10 of them.
Oh, yeah. SD with your A.
What is it?
Suck dick with your ass. You like that one? How does that make you feel? Danny, we're talking about feelings here now. And it's okay if you've done it. It's a judgment-free zone here.
I did it once, right?
For free?
Free.
For free.
You're like, oh, do it again. You're like,
Wow! It blended in.
stop it.
It blended in. Oh, you fucking dirty fucking slut. No. This box fucking broke. What? The box it was broken when I came down here.
That's because you fucking ripped it open like a fucking
I didn't open
kid
that
on
one.
Thanks fucking Christmas.
On Mink's Christmas. I didn't open that one.
Yeah, you did. I saw you.
No, sir. Fucking thing split open. Fucking spread its legs like a fucking dirty whore.
Yeah. More numbers?
The guinea pig? Yep. Why aren't you the guinea pig?
I might use some too.
Oh, I was gonna say. Get the fat kid to do your dirty work.
Kev, you want to try a plate of my slop? What you got? It's a little bit. All the way down.
Just like that.
That sound too if you want to.
Make what?
Make that sound too if you want to while you do it.
I will. I'll make sure I do. Well, that's cool. I wish I was famous.
You are famous.
I am?
Yeah, you're hanging out with me.
Fuck, kill, marry, right?
What is that?
You gotta fuck one, you gotta kill one, and you gotta marry one. Taylor Swift, Kamala Harris, and Bruce Jenner.
Marry American Taylor Swift for sure money.
Yeah, she does got a lot of money.
Fuck the military.
You would fuck her?
Yeah, just to be like, fuck her.
Yeah.
I did.
Yeah.